How to turn on Pinterest dark mode for desktop. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can turn on the Pinterest dark mode. So let's get started with the video, but before that don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bells. So first of all, head over to Pinterest, and here when you are logged in into the Pinterest browser version, unfortunately when we head over to our profile and select the profile settings, we don't have this option of changing the into dark mode, unfortunately, by in-app feature. So the other method we can apply in order to apply the dark mode on Pinterest is like this. So after you have successfully opened up your Pinterest, head over to the Chrome Web Store if you are on Chrome browser, and you're going to type in Dark Reader in this extensions and add this extension to your Chrome. Just go ahead and add it to your Chrome. You can find this add extension of pop-up. Just go ahead and add that extension in your Chrome. After that, it will automatically set up the dark mode on your Pinterest. So that is how you do it. It is very easy. So just go ahead and follow this method and you can see the Pinterest has been turned dark mode. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.